peek out there and see why there's people walking? Or is that you? I don't know, but somebody's knocking out there. Not at the door, but there's like ding, 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 ding.
Sure. See light?
Huh?
I see light.
Okay. Can you fix those blinds then?
Huh? Playing with me?
Huh?
Playing with me?
No, I'm not. I thought you kept making the noises. You kept running around, so I finally took the earbuds and you weren't out here. I'm like, okay then.
Yeah, you're just kidding.
What?
You're kidding me.
No, I'm not. There was real knocking out there. I thought it was you.
It's like the same thing. You thought I was the one that was staring through the window at the ranch. Of course, that one was real. This one's just me.
Oh, it wasn't. There was something knocking out there, but I thought it was you. And then I turned around and you're not there. I'm like, okay then. And then the blinds were open. I'm like, oh, it's someone like banging on the window. It wasn't like the door knocking. It was like something else knocking. And she kept running to the ground and looking, and I'm like, why are you laughing?
Because you're hearing things.
No, I'm not. It's
I've
for
been in here the
real.
whole time and I haven't heard anything. Well, not the whole time. I was out here playing the game, but I'm done with it now.
Up north, warm weather
Okay,
means
did
it's
it
time
again.
to get outside. It also means the woods are doing double duty, safeguarding outdoor enthusiasts while protecting Maine's wilderness. Home hearing on instant red alert.
This is very uncommon for a fall attack. Very
What
isolated.
happened again?
Huh?
It happened again.
Sure.
There's six
I'm not joking.
pretty serious. I mean, every word's on
See, you seem to hear it whenever I'm out of the room, which
themselves.
It
sounds
sounds
like
like someone's like taking, you know, like the filter or something, the back and like, but it's not on the wall. It's like up there.
Want me to look again?
I'm just saying, it happened again. Or like a woodpecker.
Well, I see two lights now.
What kind of lights?
Well, one looks like it's flickering, so I think she's like sick. I don't think she's knocking, so it has to be knocking in your head.
It is not. It's like someone's like, on something, or a woodpecker.
Okay, woodpecker.
That kind of knocking, it's not a knock like knock, knock, knock. It's a what?
Woodpecker.
You know how the I don't know how to say it.
So what did the woodpecker decide to paint?
I didn't say Woody the woodpecker. I said like a woodpecker
Okay.
knock, not a human knock. A woodpecker knock, but
Well,
there's no woodpecker.
So not a human knock?
I don't. Not like the people knocking on the door or a wall. It's like either someone has like a filter banging, you know, like a AC, or I don't know, but there's a noise that's going on out there. You need to stay out here, because I'm not making it up.
I don't believe you.
Why don't you believe me?
Because I looked out there.
I don't care if you look out there. I'm telling you, there's somebody out there knocking or something.
Okay, then
And
next
how
time.
come you're laughing so hard? Because you're making me think that
Because-
you're up to something.
Because you're saying Woody the woodpecker.
I didn't say. I did not say Woody the
Okay.
woodpecker.
Woodpecker.
I said like a woodpecker, not a human on a door.
Okay, but I do this when you say it's not it.
That sounds like it, but it's more out there. It's not there. It's there. Yes.
So then now you have a ghost.
I didn't say it, but
Okay, well next time you hear it, I guess look out, because obviously every time I come out there's no one there.
the
TV.
lookout for one of the owners.
Hello?
What?
What happened?
That was. I thought you were gonna say, "Was that the knock you heard?" I said, "That was the TV," because he knocked on the door as soon as I put it on pause. That was the TV.
Warden Harry must deal with the campfire
Okay,
filled to capacity
it
with
did it
vacation
again.
families and a potentially rabid fox somewhere in their midst.
No, I said that was me. I threw a ball at the door.
It came from over there. It was. Do.
See me?
I'm telling you, there's gotta be a woodpecker on the building or something. I'm not making it up. I'm not making it up.
I told you I threw a ball.
It was not a bomb, boys. It was
A ball.
Does a ball
I didn't
go?
throw a bomb. I threw a ball.
Ryan, does a ball go?
It hit the door and the wall 3 times.
Ryan, it was not a ball. I know what a ball sounds like. This is a.
Okay. You're freaking the cat out.
I'm not freaking the cat out. It's the walking out there that's freaking the cat out. Not me. It's a woody pecker thing. There's banging. Ryan.
Yeah.
Okay, you missed it this time. It wasn't do. It was do. And it like moved. I think there's people up on the patio up there doing something. Like upstairs. Like they're banging on the railing or something.
It just clicked in my head what you meant.
What?
Oh, bang. Okay, sorry, I thought it was something else.
See? The door just closed up there. They're making noise. But why are they banging?
That looked a little rough on the foot. Oh, man. Okay.
I hear laughing.
So, you almost wiped out in front of us.
Is there like a party going on out there?
I don't hear anything in my room, so. Well, actually, I do have the kid above my room now.
There was laughter and then there was like a bang and she keeps looking out the window. I don't know what they're doing. What?
It's too late for them. Well, you know, you can report it to Adrian tomorrow. Seriously. It's either that or it's in here.
It's either what?
It's either maybe they are having a party, I can't hear, from my room anyways, or
It's on the porch. It's not in the apartment. It's out there. So you're not going to hear it in there. You're going to hear it out here.
Alright, but I will drive up and down my own road. Can't do that. You know that.
People are messing with me.
They could, create another circumstance. I don't want to do that.
They're doing it again. This is irritating me. I'm addressing you because I'm really tired of hearing this thing. If you're punking me, you better tell me right now.
I don't know, but you keep laughing. There's no reason to laugh. I'm not making anything up. Because you're making me laugh. But I am not hallucinating. There is banging going on out there. Brian, you're not going to hear it in here. That's banging on the railing out here. have been you?
Yes. You didn't hear all these crazy noises they did while you were poking your head out there?
I heard things, but I didn't know it, so I was trying to be as quiet as I could. So this whole time it's been you.
Yes.
How in the world were you doing that?
I have no idea.
You have speakers somewhere or something?
No.
You have a camera there. You're punking me.
I've had it there for over an hour.
Oh my god. You're making me go crazy. I'm about ready to go pound on the door. What are you doing? How are you doing? So is it like an app for Woody Woodpecker noise or something?
Nope.
See, I heard laughing too, and I'm like, are they really messing with me? They're, I'm like ready to really get irritated. You almost made me go up and really make a fool of myself. Because, see, my dog has been going crazy. She's even gone and hid in her crate too. And you said I was driving your cat crazy?
That was a long one.